everyone, today I've got an incredible piece to show you, the 1-to-1 Tusken Raider bust by Regal Robot. Like all the replicas in their archive collection, this bust has direct lineage to a screen-used mask from Star Wars 1977. If you watch closely, you can actually see the actor holding onto his mask as he runs toward the Banthas, and this is the exact costume Regal Robot referenced for this piece. A special touch is the hand-signed plaque by the late Alan Fernandez, the actor behind this Tusken Raider and an elephant trainer who helped bring the Bantha sequences to life. Having this as a signature edition is an amazing tribute to his legacy and all the work that went into creating the original Star Wars. One thing that really surprised me when I took it out of the box is just how massive the bust is. The thick layers of cloth and leather make the costume look much bulkier than I expected, giving the piece an imposing presence. No matter where I display it, it just demands attention. Assembly is super simple. The bust comes apart for safe shipping and allows for independent rotation of the head and torso, which is great for display. Regal Robot absolutely nailed the details per usual. There's distressed fabric, weathered aluminum spikes, aged leather pouches, and all of that fabric is hand wrapped to match the original mask. The slight variation in tusk length is true to the hand machined originals, and one of my favorite details is the mirrored finish inside the eye section. It's something you'd never notice just watching the film, but I think it's really cool to see in person. The amount of accuracy here is next level. Most people wouldn't notice these tiny details, but Regal Robot goes the extra mile to make this as authentic as possible. It really looks like it's been wandering the sands of Tatooine for years. Out of all the pieces in my collection, this is probably one of the coolest in terms of mixed media, weathering, and all of these different minute details. It really does stand out from a lot of the other pieces that I have. Overall, I think this is the definitive Tatooine piece for any Star Wars collection. I definitely plan on adding their gaffy stick to go with it. If you want a deeper dive, check out Regal Robot's video in the description, and if you enjoyed this, consider subscribing, and drop any questions you have in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.